Tired of juggling data from a million different places just to understand your business performance? Let's dive into Looker Studio and unlock the power of data blending so you can finally get that all-in-one view you've been craving. First, open up Looker Studio and create a new report now. Connect to all the data sources you want to combine, such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, or even a Google Sheet. You can do this by clicking at Data and selecting your desired connectors. Next, navigate to the Resource menu in the top navigation bar and choose Manage Blended Data. This is where the magic happens. Click Add a View and then click on the plus sign. Select the primary data source from your list. Now choose the second data source to blend. Looker Studio will automatically suggest a join key. These are the common fields between your datasets. You can adjust this or add other conditions for the join. Select the dimensions and metrics you want to include in your report from each data source. Click Save. You have created a blended dataset. Now, create charts and tables using your new blended data source and watch your report come to life. You can visualize combined metrics, understand correlations, and gain deeper insights into your business performance. That's it. You've successfully blended data in Looker Studio.